So what I was actually doing, I had Simpler open, and I'm obviously moving the start point around of where the sample is starting to get that effect, because if I got the acapella and chopped all those little sections of words out, it will take forever and I probably wouldn't find them in the same way that you would if you flick through with this, because people get impatient when you're looking through acapellas, or I do anyway, and then you miss bits because when you're in the middle of making a track you don't want to sit for 5 minutes and listen to a whole acapella, but you can quickly just go through and find little bits that rhythmically work. So what I essentially did to make this bit where it's like this bit, what I did is I'm just on the beat going, but what I did is I record that in because I like doing it manually like this, because you can pick random parts and then you'll just be doing it and you'll find a bit that grooves well. You'll be like, oh, that's nice, like that has a nice groove to the track, because that bit on its own you probably wouldn't actually know was from that track.